What's up guys, back again in this channel. Okay, today probably I'm going to review the Dainese XL Pro in Valentino Rossi replica boots 2000 end of 2007 edition. Why I said end of 2000 edition? Because this pattern, okay, how do they made it, how do they design it, that because this carbon will appear on the 2008 Dainese XL Pro in Valentino Rossi replica boots 2008 edition, again 2008 edition. So this is the last for the yellow fluo and black, because after this no more yellow fluo and black. Vale will warn the yellow fluo and blue, and this is the last Rossi replica boots that using the DOC logo. The DOCR means, as we can know, as the doctor, and R is the Rossi. And in these boots, no more longer using the titanium metal slider and the carbon. Okay, let me show you this one to the black one. As you can see, these just like the same thing as like the one that on the 2008 edition, 2009, either continuously 10, 11, 12 on the Dainese XL Pro in boots, either for the replica or for the regular one. So these are the first generation Dainese XL Pro in boots that starting from this design for the slider. Again, no more carbon fiber here, as like if you see my other review for the 2007 boots, the first edition. That's why I said this is the last edition. This is before the winter, before the winter test. Rossi wore it. Again, no more longer of that one. And regarding the bottom sole, as just like same thing, same design, no special, same way, same thing. And if you ask me about inside, okay, let me try to open up. Again, same, just like the 2000. Okay, hold on guys, just as like the 2008, I mean sorry, either 2006 or 5. Okay, and then and the old these old boots, it doesn't have size tag like number, Euro or UK, what's the size. Nope, it's just like printing like this. This is size 45, as you can see, just like plain, just like that. And Dainese still using the old logo, as you can see. It's not the triangle that we used to know, and now like it's like nowadays, as you can see that again. So if you see this logo on this old Dainese boot, this real Dainese boot is not fake. So at least you guys know the history for the old logo. And even though for this box, this is the new one, silver. The old Dainese box, black, and with the red triangle Dainese logo here. And after that they changed to the black, I'm so sorry, to the silver like this. And as you can see, these still using the old Dainese logo, the letters, because the latest, the new one is kind of like thin and white. If you purchase the latest any Dainese product, you will see what I'm talking about. So this is the old one. Okay, again, as you can see, this is old one too, the design. This is old fashioned. Okay, old fashioned. Again, and same thing, old fashioned for the text, old fashioned for the logo. And then regarding inside. Oh, sorry. So that is the appearance from backside. So already used the sharp Dainese logo here, not the old one. So this is how inside. It's still not has like a double layer, so this is just like plain like this, and inside just plain just like that. So these boots are new, this is not used. Okay, as you can see, everything clean inside. It's still white, and I use this as display. And about how to close, to lock everything, still not, I mean, not far away from the what you buying now. I think it's the same thing. Okay, just the latest new boots, it doesn't have the latches that you can pull here, and again, it doesn't have the another layer here. You can see my other video regarding the 2009 edition, and I think you can see that one, or the 2021 edition, or the what, 15 or 17, I forgot. You can see that one already has like another layer here, but again, this is old, so just like plain like this. Okay, let me off this one. Hold on. And again, this is the appearance, how it look like from the back. Same with zippers, very easy, and velcro over here, and velcro again. This is the boots that worn inside the suit. This is not from outside the suit. Okay, so this is not like the Alpinstar Supertech R boots, which they have double layer and heavy and complicated in and out. This is very fast and easy. Even as you can see, I just close just like this. That's it. It's lock, and I very love the sketching yellow fluo color for these boots. I like this color. I always miss these boots because only these boots that has a plain yellow fluo with a simple triangle Dainese. And again, this is the very last logo for the DOCR logo. No more logo like this in 2008 edition, and this is the beginning. You will see again. Oh, I can show you. I have the boots here. Okay, here I have the boots. Let me open up. Okay, sorry guys, take time a little bit. Okay, I off this one. Okay, so as you can see here, I can show you, ta-da, the Dainese XL Pro in. I'm not gonna review this now. I'm not gonna mix. So 2007, 2007, 2008, 2008. That's the one, guys. Fabulous boots. Again, as you can see here. Okay, so again, it's the same. Let me do side by side. Okay, you can see that. And again, 2007 end of the year, still DOC logo, and beginning the 2008 boots. You will see the VR46 logo with the Aborigine step foot leather design. Okay, you will see now. I'm gonna review this boots later. So that's the difference, and that's what is the same one. Okay, that one first. Okay guys, so again, as you can see, I love this plain, but again on the 2008 it's kind of mixed, so still has this yellow flow, but mixed with the Aborigine style with the dragon on top or whatever. I did review the glove as well, and please check it out if you interested want to see how the design look like. It's very awesome. Okay, again, gorgeous colors. This is the one that make me proud with this This one, and if you can see my other video for the 2007 Valentino Rossi replica suits, the video I did review a while ago, and you can see how I attach the boots with the suit. Okay, again, this is very catchy colors, and this is the black color. Okay, the other pair, very gorgeous. I love this. Okay, I have nothing to say. If you can find this and you are Valentino Rossi fan and you want to have this, now is 2025. This like almost 20 years ago, and impossible to having these from Dainese store. Even though you're begging, they're not gonna make it. They're not gonna give it to you. You have to find somebody selling used, or maybe from a crash, I don't know, or from a display collection, I don't know. Go ahead, find it. If you find it, uh, prepare for the price, because the price not gonna be cheap. This boot is a long time sold out as a very rare boots. I saw somebody sold this in eBay like $1,000 or more or so, but I saw somebody selling it cheap because it was crashed or something wrong with the boots. But so if you want to buy it, just make sure the condition, ask the seller how the condition, and then you can negotiation regarding the price. Okay guys, let me do full back. I think I never did that. Yeah. Okay, so this is how it looks like from the back. Okay, very simple. Okay, and how it look like from the front. Alright, there you go. Again, I always like this side. Very colorful. Okay, thank you so much guys. Thank you for your time. See you again on my other next review for the 2008 or 2009 or others Rossi Racing replica boots, or I mean either collection or boots. Thank you so much for your time. Ciao.